We are also coming up with one more airport at Mopa, but at no point of time, or we have the requirement of second airport is due to the limitations over here. But we have clarified at all points that it will be Dabolim and Mopa going together. Probably the first phase of Mopa would be completed by 2019 or 20. Till that time, this airport has to manage, and when the first phase will be completed, its capacity would be about 4 to 5 millions. And that time, this airport will be managing for about 5 to 6 million. In days to come ahead, in years thereafter, the requirement of the travelers would be taken care of jointly by Dabolim and Mopa as well. There are many more things which cannot be taken care of over here. For instance, the cargo, then the parking. These are all limitations which should be taken care of at the tourist arrival. As of now, this year it is expected that it is coming to about
5 million.
5 million. And in next 2 to 3 years, it will be reaching 7 to 8 millions. Thereafter, it continuously, it is expected to increase. The graph is always an elevated graph. And therefore, we need additional provision.